Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's August the 12th, 2023. Here to talk about AMC today because we're going to answer the question as to whether or not this particular stock is it still too risky. I know that this particular stock has got a lot of fanfare, talking about the apes, talking about a massive short squeeze, talking about the market is not finished with producing a MOAS. I get it. There has been hundreds of thousands of video content created for AMC saying that it is not over, but then, like I told you on my last video in AMC, they always get the retail investor and trader. I sent this out on my channel in my community post saying that Adam Aaron, he needs right now all AMC apes on deck. The stock after the market closed was down. You guys can see it 24.5%. 24.5%. Now understand that the retailer is not in the best interest of any business or CEO. Understand that. Adam Aaron is more worried about the board of directors, keeping the business afloat, that he is literally not worried about you all of the AMC apes, the whole community. He continues to throw at you, saying and showing to you that he doesn't care about you. He doesn't care about your well-being. He doesn't care about a MOAS. He doesn't care about a short squeeze. How many times does he have to show you this? He's more worried about keeping his business from going bankrupt. That is his main top priority. Now, all of his investors who have invested in AMC, those are the people that he's trying to please, not the ones that's buying a stock for $5.26. He's looking towards the major stakeholders, the ones that he owed money to. Now, why would this information come out after the market close? Like, real talk. Why does this always occur after market close? Like I told you, they don't care about you. Wouldn't it have been beneficial for you to get this information right here while the market was open, because you would have the ability to make your own changes? Should I sell? Should I buy more? But when the market is closed, when they lock the door for you to come in and buy and sell stock, just like they did when they took away the buy button, you cannot move. But the stock price still moves. Wow. You guys can see it right here from Market Watch. AMC shares fall 27% after the court okays revised stock conversion plan. They played you. Even the judicial system plays you, because the last time they could not convert APE shares into AMC. They couldn't do it. The judge knocked it down. Well, what happened from then to now? They revised it. What did they do? Change one word from the original plan to the new converted plan? And then this information came out once again when the market is closed. I hope this whole situation has taught so many retail investors, traders, how this market is against you. When you come in and play in the stock market, understand that there are no friends. They're there to take money from you, and it's vice versa. You're in the market to take money from them. So don't think that people have your best interest. You are literally on your own when you enter the stock market. That is why these videos that I produce is us getting ahead of our competition. This is a game, and we need to beat our competition to these prices so that we can sit there and wait for them and take the profit. Shares of movie theater chain AMC Entertainment Holdings tumbled 27% after hours on Friday after a court approved a revised but still controversial stock conversion plan intended to shore up the company finances. We already knew that. This is the last bullet in the chamber for Adam to keep AMC from going bankrupt. He needs money. He tried to sell particular seats in his theaters for a price. Like that was going to do something. He tried to sell NFTs. Like that was going to do something. He tried to even sell popcorn, like that was going to do something. He needs money. And this is the last ditch right here. He has to take those Ape shares and convert it into AMC. That was the whole gist the first time when he created Ape. And all of the AMC apes came on board. Some fell for it, some didn't. But this was the ultimate goal right here for the Ape. Was to turn, this is literally, I don't think you guys understand that what he is doing here is literally creating money off of the backs of regular retail traders. Now, that is why it's kind of like the governments, the United States governments, where they have a printing press, right? And they just simply print out money. That's all they're doing, printing out money, printing out trillions. AMC did the same thing on this conversion. He literally created Ape out of nothing. And now he's going to convert it into dollars, into money for AMC. Now, you look at the stock, right? This is the last trading day on TradingView, right? Look at that. Looks fantastic. We even got an indicator of strength on the chart in AMC, thinking that the market was still bullish. Now, explain to me that the volume yesterday was extremely high. You're trying to tell me that you don't think somebody didn't know that AMC was going to go down, so they came through and sold their AMC into the market? Because now the price of Ape or AMC has to come into parity. They have to equal. AMC is trading at $5.26 on the close of this chart. And then when you look at Ape, it was at $1.78. These two stocks has to merge. I'm not sure what the conversion price is going to be, but I tell you, by AMC falling down 27% is not at $5.26. And then when you put this chart on 15 minutes, you guys can see what happened. You don't see it on the daily time frame, but you could definitely see it in an after hours chart. 15 minutes after hours. I want to see when this exactly happened, because the market in AMC, the market closed. So it happened at 5:33. It's when this massive spike down occurred in AMC. Right? Now check this out. Look at my support area in AMC. Down here, 376, right? I've had this on my chart for plenty of videos. Go back and look at all my other videos. Why would I have this line already here? And then when you look at this on the minute chart, this is exactly where the market bounced. Like, this is wild. Like, you can't make this stuff up. This stuff is already there for us to know and see. It's not a coincidence that this market fell from 526 back down to 377, 376, when we've already held a support line there. So it's going to be an amazing Monday of this upcoming trading week. That's all I'm going to say. Because since that conversion plan was now approved by the court, there's no need for the market to think that the squeeze is still on. Now, in the after hours for Ape, take a look at this. It's at 220. Maybe you all should have bought some Ape instead of buying AMC. Because like I said, this stock, this Ape preferred equity shares, it has to come into parity with the value of AMC, so that all of the available Ape shares can be converted to AMC. So that's it. I'll come back maybe sometime next week. I'm not sure. I'm not going to give you any promises, but this look like this the last nail in the coffin for AMC, because this is going to create a massive dilution in AMC shares. And just think about all the work and effort that the AMC apes did over the last 2 or 3 years to keep this market from being propped up. They was acting like they had so much benefit to try to shore up AMC finances so that it doesn't go bankrupt. And this is what he does to you. Fascinating. I'm finished though. I'm not going to touch this price prediction. This is my price prediction I did in APE at the beginning of the year. You can check that video out too. Looking for the price to go higher. Cool. But I'm not going to touch AMC again, not yet. Because now the market is all the way down here. And it takes us, this is crazy. Let me show you all something. So the market here in after hours trading hit 377, right? After hours. Let me show you where the market in AMC was trading at before the short squeeze. Let me zoom in. This is the 3-day chart. Bam. Right here. Right here to where the market began the short squeeze back in January 2021. Right there. So everybody who participated in this great run up in AMC are now down. It came full circle. That's why you don't hold on to these stocks for a lifetime. This is showing you why you don't hold stocks for the long term. Those who bought AMC back in February 2021, if anything, you may be breaking even right now. When you had opportunity to at least from when you first purchased it in February to the high that came in June 2021, your position was up 1,151%. Bam. And it has just been a complete fall off since then. This has taught a lot of people, if anything, some hatred to the stock market. This whole situation with GME, AMC, all of these other stocks that short squeezed, it has left a bad taste in people's mouths because they now understand that the stock market is rigged. Or it's not rigged per se to where you're meant to lose. You just don't know this game. And if you don't know the game that you're trying to play, then of course you will be taken advantage of. It goes with any sport. Anything to where you have opposite opponents. The one who doesn't know the game usually is the one that loses. That's why they don't push financial education in society. But they hold you accountable for what you do with your money. If they really care, if society really cared about finances, then that should be one of the top most important subjects that the world understands. But for some reason, it's not. I think you guys can now find out why. I'm done. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.